Today we're going to look at how to do a lunge for beginners, highlighting a couple of common mistakes and also showing a couple of progressions. Okay, so to learn to lunge, first of all, I'm going to step forward, front leg straight, back leg straight. I'm going to lift that back heel. Make sure my torso is up straight and my hips are facing forwards. From here, the movement is to drop that back knee down rather than lurch forwards. So from here, I drop that back knee, I bring my arms up to help me keep my shoulder, my hip and my knee all in line. I exhale, push up, and inhale, come down. Obviously, as a beginner, you find your level, find where you're comfortable to get down to, and learn your progressions. Same thing on the other side for the other leg. Okay, that's keeping it very simple. The next progression is to step out into lunge or a forward lunge. So from here, as I step forward, making sure that momentum doesn't carry me too far forward and my knee comes over my foot, making sure that I drop this back leg down and drop my hips down. So from here, so I step forward and exhale, come up. Same thing on the other side. Inhale and exhale. Again, progressions. Making sure you only come down as far as you feel comfortable, whether it's here or lower down, whatever works for you to get those progressions and learn. The last one I'm going to show you is the reverse lunge. It's the same principle, keeping that torso upright, keeping your core engaged for your balance, and also stepping back the right distance and dropping that back knee. As a beginner, you might only come down to here, that's fine. Working your way, as you get more confident, taking that back knee a little bit deeper, and up we come. Okay, common mistakes that people make when they're learning to lunge. The first one is stepping out and that momentum carrying them forwards, therefore your knee comes past your toes. If you do that, you're going to cause problems with your knees and result in injury. So I'll show you how not to do it. If you step forward and then come too far forward, this knee is now travelling past my toes, putting a lot of pressure on that knee. So make sure that you correct yourself, you actually drop that back knee and stay upright. Second mistake people make is not stepping out far enough. You step to here and end up getting the legs all entangled and being in the wrong position. And the last mistake people often make is a rotation through their hips. So when they step forward, this hip pulls back. Okay? You've got to make sure that these hips are parallel here, your feet are parallel, don't turn that back foot round. Keeping your chest upright and pushing back. Okay guys, that's how to do lunges for beginners with a couple of progressions and a couple of common mistakes not to make.